How to connect Gmail to Monday.com. First is by opening your web browser and then go to Monday.com. And then once you are in Monday.com, make sure to sign in with your account. Once you have signed in, go to the board that you want. So for example, I'll just choose this one. And then click on integrate right here and choose Gmail right here, which can be found right here, I mean. So let's just go back and look for another board. So I'll just click on integrate and choose Gmail. So right here, and then you may choose the integrations that you want, such as this one. So every time period, if status is on, send an email to someone. Click on that integration and click on connect right here. Wait for it to load. Choose the email that you have, click on allow, and wait for it to load. And then there you go. You have now connected your Gmail to Monday.com. What you can do now is that you may change the integrations that you want to, or um, anything that you want to make on Monday.com. So there you go. That's how you can connect your Gmail to Monday.com.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.